Hi friends, welcome to my channel Gayathri Sridhar's Creative Art. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a Christmas tree key holder. But before that, please give this video a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell for all notifications. Let's begin. For this you need two pieces of wooden boards, one measuring 12 by 9 inches and the other one 4 by 9 inches. Here I am using wall putty. You can even use white cement. Mix it along with water and glue and make a paste without forming lumps. Apply a thick coat of this mixture onto the wooden board. See to it that the entire area is covered. Create a texture of your choice on it. As you can see, it is all dried up. I've dried it under the sun for about 24 hours and even the paper balls are all dry. And let's start painting now. For the moon, you need to draw a small circle on a piece of cardboard, cut it out, apply the paste over it and allow it to dry for some time. To make the Christmas tree, you need a small twig and a few branches of the Christmas tree or the fir tree. And there you go, your Christmas tree key holder is ready. I've added a few more branches, the rocks are in place, and a few hooks are also in place for your keys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye.